Hey everyone, it's Marty Boardman with Fix and Flip Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find foreclosures in your market. So maybe you're just getting started out in real estate investing, or maybe you've been doing it for a while. You're a wholesaler, you're a fix and flip investor, or you're a landlord, you're looking to acquire more rental properties, and you want to dive into the mysterious world of foreclosures. So a common question I hear is, well, how do I find properties in foreclosure? Well, the foreclosure process varies from state to state and from county to county. But the county is where you're going to begin your search. So let me show you here real quick on the screen. You're going to want to start out by searching county records. Now, a lot of counties have all of their notices online. So you can go to a website and search for notices of sale, notice of foreclosure, notice of trustee sale on their county website. In some states, you'll actually go to a sheriff's website to obtain this information. And it can vary, again, based on the state and on the county. Again, you can do this online, or you can go to the recorder's office or the clerk of court's office to obtain this information. So that's step one. Step two is you're going to search for the notice itself. So that would mean, again, looking for the recorded document that is called the notice of sale, notice of foreclosure, notice of trustee sale, again, depending upon what state you live in. But the third thing I want you to know is that you're not going to want to do not trust third-party sites that aggregate this information. A lot of times the information that third-party sites have is outdated, old, or it's missing. There's a lot of times I've seen where third-party sites that you actually pay don't have all of the foreclosures on their list. So let me show you like how simple this is to do in a county like the one I live in Maricopa County. You can go to their website. This is the Maricopa County Recorder's website. I'll just type in a search for this past week, and I search for notice of trustee sale. So I'm going to hit search here. It's going to take a second, and it's going to load up, and you're going to see all of these recorded documents here. Now, I'll just go to click on the very first one, and this is going to pull up the notice of trustees sale. And in this notice, I will find out the address of the property. I will find out the auction date of the property. I'll find out the principal balance on the underlying mortgage. All of these things is listed in this notice of trustee sale. Now, again, this is in Arizona. And in Arizona, this information is all very readily available. It's very easy to get. You saw how quickly I was able to obtain that information in a matter of seconds. So there are negatives and positives to getting to access information like this so quickly. The positive, of course, is that it's easy for me to create a list or build a list of homeowners in foreclosure. And these homeowners, I can go door knock, I can go visit them at their house, or I can send them a letter, or I can skip trace and find their phone number. So that's all well and good. But that also means that just about everybody else on the planet can easily get this information too. So I got a lot of competition. So here's what I want you to remember. The more difficult the information is to get, the better it is for you. Embrace the inefficiency. If it's difficult to find the foreclosure, it means that there's less competition. So if you actually have to go down to the county clerk of courts or the recorder's office to get this information, that's good. That's just part of your job and part of your day. And again, it's far less likely people are going to go out and get that information. And the more steps that are involved in the process, the better it is for you. Like I said, I would also recommend you get this information yourself and check regularly with the attorney's offices that handle these sales, especially if you're going to be doing door knocking, or if you're going to be sending out direct mail or text message blasts. Because if you don't know whether or not for sure the homeowner is in foreclosure, and let's just say the homeowner has actually worked things out, they've either brought the loan current or paid the loan off, you're going to be wasting time and money either traveling out to the property or wasting money on your direct mail or on your text blasting campaign because that homeowner isn't in foreclosure anymore. So you want to check with the attorney's office before you make a drive out to see the property or do any kind of marketing to that property owner, because they may not be in foreclosure anymore if they paid the loan off or brought the loan current. And again, the attorney's offices who handle or facilitate these sales on behalf of the lenders, they have this information. You can either go to their website or you can just call them up on the phone and find out, hey, is this sale still active? So hopefully you found this little training video helpful and useful. If you did, I'm going to encourage you to grab a free copy of my book. It's called Foreclosure Secrets: How I Built a Seven-Figure Business Flipping Houses Most Investors Are Too Afraid to Buy. This book is actually your blueprint for buying pre-foreclosures, for finding houses in foreclosure, getting them under contract, all of those things. And when you buy this book on my website, foreclosuresecrets.net, you get 8 bonus training videos where I give you contracts you can use to put these houses under contract, how to negotiate with homeowners in foreclosure, how to find them, how to bid on auctions, all of those things. So grab a free copy of this book. You can click on the link in the description of this video if you're watching on YouTube, or in the comments section, or in the post here if you're watching on Facebook. Again, the book is free. I just ask you to pay $9.95 for shipping. You get 8 bonus training videos and an email course along with the book, which gets shipped out to you in a couple of days. I'm Marty Boardman with Fix and Flip Hub. Thanks for watching.